Hey Andres, so you have tried F16 Media pretty much times and you have also tried other companies. I just want to record your honest testimonial that what do you think about us and what you have to say about us, people.
Well, I was gonna say that it's you guys were pretty good. You guys do know what you're doing regarding ads with the Duct cleaning niche. You guys are pretty great, and you have tried multiple other companies, and you're the ones that have given me the most results. So I've tried you guys, then I quit it, then I tried other companies, but I realized that I was setting the bar too low when trying different companies. So I had to came back to you guys and start over again and commit to a long term business relationship because it's the best that I've found so far. And I don't think I'm gonna be wasting my time anymore trying different companies because I know where after all this testing I know where I get real results, and it's with you guys.
So what do you recommend to other companies who are still thinking to start out or they think we are trying to scam them?
Well, it's definitely the best company out there that I've seen so far, and you guys are worth every penny. So give them a try. Be open. They know what they're doing, and just trust Muhammad. He's a great guy, and he really knows how to get you guys results.
All right, and what would you rate us out of 10?
Out of 10, I would give you guys a 10 because you're really, really patient, and you guys have been there every time that we need it, and you're giving us pretty detailed reports, and it's just you guys, you know what you're doing. So in less than 24 hours, we're getting results, and it's just unexplainable. And nobody else has done that. So again, I'm not going to be trying anyone else because I know where I get the best results.
All right, and any suggestion to new business owners who struggle to generate leads and who are trying to figure out the marketing, if you can suggest them anything?
Right. So the moment you get money to pay this guys, go for it because it's gonna be 2x, 3x. So if you really want to scale your business, start getting more results, then F16 Media is where you go. Since again, that money in the bank is not going to do anything, and if you put it on F16 Media, it's going to be multiplying. So that's what you have to do. That's my suggestion.
All right, man, I appreciate it.
No problem.